Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off a location of this Samsung. First of all, access tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is now enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead and tap on location section over here. Then manage location by clicking on this switcher to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!